Hi guys, now today I want to show you how to design a simple user login form using Microsoft Access. So to begin, let me show you a sample system which has a user login. It has been designed by Microsoft Access. You see, when the Microsoft Access database opens, it opens the user login form. So you must have the credentials for logging in. And if you don't have the credentials, you first register. You go to sign up here, register, then you save. So as with me, I have the credentials. I have my username and my password. Password is 000, or you can see 000. Then I save. Let's go and use the credentials in logging in. So I'm going to show you how to create this form, how to enter the username and the password, and we log in. Our login is successful, and click OK. So on clicking OK, it opens the loading, and this loading opens the dashboard. So I'm going to show you how to design a user login form which opens after logging in. It directs you to the system. Now let's begin. To begin, you open Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access. Then you click blank database. Then we give a database name. Let's say exam management system. Exam management system. Then we click create. Then we close this first table which comes by default. Now to create a table, we go to create, then table design. Now let's key in. Let's create one table for student details, which we are going to use to create the form which is to be opened when the user logs in. So to create that table, we enter the field names and data types. Now let's begin with admission number, and the data type we say auto number. Next we have a full name, the full name of the student. It's a short text. Next we have gender, the gender. So the gender, we go to lookup wizard, lookup wizard. So first it must be a short text, then lookup wizard. I will type in the values that I want, and you go next. Then we feed in the genders. So first we have male, we enter female, then we click finish. Let's add another field, class, the class. So the class, we can also add a lookup wizard, and we say we have, let's say, form 1, form 2, form 3, and lastly form 4. Then we click finish. You can also add the stream of the student stream, and we can enter the various streams on lookup wizard. So let's say we have the stream for winners, and we have another one representing the yellow. We can have blue, and we can finish. Next, we can enter various subjects which we are going to enter the marks. So we can have mathematics, English, Kiswahili, and remember this, you put number, so because the marks entered are going to be numbers. Let's add one subject. Let's add chem, another biology. The data type should be number. Physics, the physics data type is a number. We can stop there. Before you close your form, make sure you put a primary key. And a primary key, this is a unique identifier on a table. So each student or each record must have a unique identifier. So our primary key here is the admission number. So the admission number, we select it, then we click on primary key. So after that, we save our table. When we save our table as a student exam table, we click OK. Now next, let's create the table which will take the database for the user login. So you go to create table design, then we feed in the field names. First we have ID, and the ID should be auto number. Next we have username, and the username should be a short text or a text. And next we have the password. The password should be a text. Next we have the level, and the levels can be either 1, 2, 3, 4. They are also a short text. Next we have description. Description can show either the person who is using the system is an admin, or the user. It's a text. So let's put ID to be our primary key. Then under password, we want the password not to be seen. When you enter the password, it should not be seen by another individual. So we select the password, then we click on input mask, then we click the 3 dots. So we must save the table first. Let's save it as user login. The user login. Then we go to password. We select the password, then finish. Then we save and close the table design. Now from there, let's create a query which will compute the exam table. But today I want to show you how to create a form which will be used to enter data into the table. And in my next video, I will show you how to enter the grade. So you can create a grading system for various subjects. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to enter the grade.